Hey guys, welcome to Simpler Futures in our nightly video. I'm going to take a look at several different things tonight. One of the ones, I'm going to start out with crude and a potential setup in here that we've got going. As you will see that I'm looking at three different setups in here that I think are potentially some pretty decent trades. Now, you'll see, follow the support right around here going back into November, and you can see that we saw a setup in here. Here, let's see, right in here we saw some pretty good support down in these areas. And where did we see the support come in? Take a look at this. Let's see if I can get we had areas right up in here, this consolidation area right here. And now you're seeing that we're seeing a pullback right down into this level. Now, what do? Take a look and see these lows that we've put in. See how we've tested these areas? Are we going to find support here? Very possible. That's one of the ones that I think you should be looking at. If we get down around the $46, $45 level in the crude, that we might see a bounce come in here. We're at down at the bottom of the channel, and I think that potentially we could see that move. Now, another one that looks pretty promising right now is on the November soybeans. We saw plays down in here, and I think that it would, let's see, let me get these off of here. Areas down, oops, get this right down in here, which would be in this area of consolidation over in here. So where are we? You can see that back in January, at the end of December, that we saw this market consolidate. Now, where is it going to go? I think you still have a short play down to possibly 980 to 975. And as I said earlier in the year, I thought that we're going to be testing 940 again. So we still have maybe 40, 45 cents left in this market on the downside. What would I look for? I would take a look at this market below 987.5 and start taking some plays. And you could also, if you're a long-term trader, just put stops over $10 and see if you want to ride it down in that direction. That's one of the three that I've got. Another one that I think that, of course, to look at, I think if you trade the ES and the YM, and you'll see, let me zoom out on this move that we've got right here, and let me clear these off. In what we've got what we're looking at right now, I think very good setup here. If we take out these levels, it would not surprise me to see us test that 62% level, which is right over here. We've got some pretty good selling that is developing on the sell days, and you know, they're looking at a lot of political stuff in the market. Is the political going to be driving this? I don't think so. I think we're just going to be looking at overall movement in the market. And then let me throw in a quick bonus here. Look at the bonds. Bonds with the sell-off that we've seen in here, potentially. Let me get back to the end of this. On the bonds, with the rally that we've seen to the 62%, could we sell off just a little bit? If we have an update in the equities, possibly so. So that's, I said three, but I threw in you got a bonus play in here. So watch it close, guys. Come back, join us in our next video update, and we'll go from there. Good trading. Use your stops. Trade smart.